Welcome to the Resto-Rob channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through some of a wrench I've been working on for a while, just as a pet hobby. It's the one that got me started into doing videos because I was looking at information on how to disassemble, how to clean it up, see if it was worth anything, and I ran across the tool videos and got really interested, and so I've been working on this for quite a while now. I've had it and I've taken pictures. Don't really have very many videos of me working on it, but it's going to be a quick short video today, so this being New Year's Eve. So sit back, enjoy, and watch my presentation.
In the beginning, we have rust. We had a bath in Evapor-Rust. You can see where I've used the wire wheel. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I think I'm probably just testing out the wrench. The fiber wheel did a really good job to clean up the rest of the wrench. I did use my orbital sander to clean up the wrench after the fiber wheel. And this is what the wrench looked like in the beginning. And this is what it looked like when I finished.
Well, thank you for watching. This is Resto-Rob. Have a safe and wonderful new year. And please like, subscribe, leave comments, follow me on Instagram. Check out that video. Subscribe to that guy.